Hello friends! So today I haven't made a video in forever, and today I'm finally gonna make one. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. And I got my box, well, order that I got from Elf in the mail today. So it's like a gift from me to me. And I'm gonna do an unboxing video for you. This is the package. So like, can we get into this box packaging? Like, Elf has really stepped their game up and I'm so happy. It's like a Tiffany blue. It's so cute. Alright, so let's rip this open. I couldn't wait to get home to do this because I've been ignoring you guys for a minute. I'm strong, guys. This isn't working out. Y'all follow me on my HIT account. Mostly cardio, not too much strength training, I guess. And Elf, if you don't know, Elf is a cruelty-free beauty brand, I would say. What is this? Elfin Amazing. I know it's backwards, but that's what it says. So cute. This is really cute though. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! I have to show you the packaging. I have to show you the inside of the packaging. Let me show you. Look how they cutely package this with. Oh, I have to take a picture. So let's get started. Come with this thing. My lighting is not good. Let's go this way. There we go. So they give you a little card. Elf, if you didn't know, Elf stands for eyes, lips, and face. Cute. So the first thing I got was this water droplet balm. And all this stuff that when I bought it, it was on sale for like 50% off. So, and I got like 2 items free because I ordered a certain amount. But yeah, this is the water droplet balm. I guess it's kind of like a moisturizer, lightweight moisturizer, transformed into a water, well, balm to water, for refreshing and cooling sensation. First of all, their packaging is also cute. The blue. Come on, focus. But yeah, they've really upgraded with their packaging and like everything. So I've been wanting to try like their skincare kind of stuff. I done ripped it. It's paraben free, sulfate free. I don't know what this is. But yeah. And look at this. This is so pretty. I don't even want to use it. Oh, it smells like a lemon icing or something. It smells refreshing. I'm living for this packaging though. Like, I'm just late on the Elf game, obviously. But yeah. So that is the moisturizer. Well, let me put it back because I'm gonna take a picture of it later and it has to be cute. I hope you guys can hear me today because I have never talked about it. Next is this daily brush cleaner. Let's see how that works. We'll see how that works. I don't know. I want to say maybe this is retail for, I don't know, like $5 or $4. Usually I can tell the difference because it's black. The other ones are like pretty much, the older products are white, and like the black packaging is like they're more premium kind of thing, and blue obviously. yeah, so we're gonna try that, see if it works. And it's just like so much other stuff in here. I'm just so excited for. Ooh, this is what I'm really excited for. So I seen this in store. I don't even know if this, I think it's a little too dark. This is one of their foundations. It's a flawless finish foundation. I got it in toffee. I'm not really good at color matching myself, but we're gonna try that out this weekend actually. I don't know how to open it. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it there for a minute. I'll probably do like a review on it. We got a bronzer. Let's see. This is in the shade Deep. So yeah, we'll try that out. I also got a highlight. This one is really cute. I think this is what I got for free. This is what I got for free. And I got something else for free too. Oh, I know I got it for free. So this is the highlighter. It's like cute pink packaging. This is in the shade, I don't know. It says cloud-like texture. Oh, I can't wait. Cloud-like texture. Ew. Ew. I don't know. This is gold. It's a shimmery gold kind of looking highlighter. I don't know the name of it. When I find it, I'll tell you. Can't wait to try that. Because I live for highlighters. The other thing that I got for free was this smooth and set eye powder. I don't know how well it works, but I don't normally set my like primer or whatever, but I don't really use a primer, I use a concealer, and I never really set that either, so we're gonna try that. Ooh. I've been looking for a clear gloss everywhere, and I bought this one from Elf. It does from Elf Time. Anyways, got this one, and I can't wait. I'm actually gonna try this on right now because it's a lip gloss. Let's do it. Why did I take forever to open stuff? Alright. I could have just twisted it. But you know, it's open now. So I want to like investigate it. It smells good. It smells sweet. Our area. Why? My last video I was unboxing, I had put lip gloss on when I already had lip gloss on, and I don't care. It feels nice. Ooh. It doesn't feel sticky. It's nice and smooth. A nice gloss to it. As you can see. As you can see. Ignore the background of what's going on because it's under construction. Is that it? Okay, so I have two more items. I have this one. It is the Moisture Lock Primer, which I hope is great because it's moisture lock. And it has hyaluronic acid. What does that even mean? Is that good? Is it like for acne or something? I don't know. We're trying. So that. And then this last thing is this eyeshadow palette. It comes with 6 shades. comes with a mirror included in it. Cushion eyeshadow palette, Aqua Beauty. I love this packaging. It's such a pretty color and it's so nice. Like, I know everybody like lives for makeup packaging. I do too, especially e.l.f. because they really stepped their game up. And it's, I ripped it. I'm trying so hard not to like rip open this stuff because I take a picture of it later. So I'm gonna be careful. And I've been wanting to do more e.l.f. products because I don't really have that many products from them. I mean, I have a few things, but I don't have a lot. Especially, I haven't tried their new stuff either since, you know, they redid their whole thing. Ooh, look at that. I don't know if you can see. Let me take the paper off. These are really pretty colors, especially this top. Left or right one, I don't know. My right, but probably your. Look, it survived. So these are the colors. Yeah. See how pretty that one is? That one's really pretty and shiny. This blue looks really cool. I think what really drew me to this palette is this one, this color too. I don't know if it's, ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Let's do some swatches. So I'm gonna put this box down. I don't know, I've been holding on to it forever. So I'm gonna do some swatches. This is the silver. Ooh, the pigment is really nice. Look at that. Now I'm gonna try this cool looking one in the corner. See, that's the only thing about these, like, you know how like some shadows, they just have that layer of shimmer on top, and then when you actually start to use it, it kind of just, I hope this isn't like that formula, but we're gonna find out. It's starting to look like that. Okay. It's nice, but it's not what I expected. I'll have to give it another try. Then this is like taupey, bronzy kind of look. It's okay. That's this one. Let's try this blue. I know this blue's gonna like be really nice. So the blue is really good. Look at that. That's really good. And I'm gonna try this one right here, the one that I really was drawn to get this palette. They're like butter. This one's really nice. This one's nice. I like this one. It's a really pretty like aqua kind of color. I'm gonna try this last one and this. I think that must be like smooth or something. Read the packaging. That is, it looks almost like a matte, but it looks satin in the packaging. So yeah, like one matte and like the rest are all shimmer shadows. But yeah. So that is those. Let me leave the packaging like this because the formula of it feels really different. Let's see. This soft cushion texture eyeshadow provides radiant color with dewy finish. A mix of satin and shimmery hues creates dynamic dimensions on the lid. It's light like powder but melts into the skin like cream and allows you to build customizable color from sheer to bold. Okay, I understand it because when I felt it like the swatches, they were really soft and kind of cushiony. But yeah, that's probably why they feel the way they do. So I can't wait to play with this stuff. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You know what? I'm gonna swatch this highlighter because I really like highlighters. And I like live for highlighters. Who doesn't? Who doesn't want to glow? These are our glow babies. From my, what's her name? I can't think of her name. But, this is also another soft cushion thing. Yeah, so this is the shadow. Not shadow, but shade or whatever. My lighting, I don't have my ring light. I don't know what I did with it, so I'm using my mirror with the one little ring thing. I'm trying to find a clean finger. This is the cleanest finger I got. Ooh, it's like so soft. It's like it's kind of squishy. It's kind of almost like a cream kind of. Oh, okay, maybe it's just this lighting, but this is the color. It's kind of hard when you don't have the right lighting. I'll take pictures of them, but it's really creamy and like soft. I'm gonna play around with that. So yeah, and I love this packaging. It's so cute. Glow Hider, oh, golden. It's in golden, guys. It's in golden. Yeah, so that's cute. And that is all that I got from and I can't wait to play around with it and show you some reviews. Probably this weekend I'll be reviewing them because I am going somewhere. I don't know. I'm going somewhere, and we'll see how they go. I'm actually probably gonna use their moisturizer tonight because like lemon moisturizer. I have very dry, I would feel like my skin is on the more so dry side rather than oily. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs it up, like, subscribe, and buy these beautiful cute packaging new upgraded e.l.f. products because I'm living for them. So I'll see you next time.